Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be talk about top 5 action, adventure or survival movies of Hollywood of 2023. But first, you should must subscribe to our channel Top Entertaining Agency. Number 5, Precious Cargo. Two former army rangers are paired against their will on the road trip of a lifetime. Army ranger Briggs Channing Tatum and Lulu, a Belgian Malinois dog, buckle into a 1984 Ford Bronco and race down the Pacific coast in hopes of making it to Lulu's handler's funeral on time. Along the way, they will drive each other completely crazy, break a small handful of laws, narrowly evade death, and learn to let down their guards in order to have a fighting chance of finding happiness. US Army Ranger Jackson Briggs is tasked with bringing Lulu, a Belgian Malinois military working dog, down the Pacific coast from Joint Base Lewis McChord in Washington to Nogales, Arizona, in time to attend her handler's funeral. Along the way, Briggs has come to terms with his TBI, traumatic brain injury symptoms, as well as his difficulty with making emotional connections. Number 4, Dog. In this action-packed heist thriller, world-class international thief Jack Mark Paul Gosselaar and his highly trained team get a run for their money when Karen Claire Forlani, Jack's gorgeous femme fatale ex, shows up pregnant with Jack's child and drags him into a dangerous billion-dollar heist. Little does Jack know they're stealing from Eddie Bruce Willis, Karen ex-boss cum lover. Now Jack must battle lingering, loving feelings for Karen and choose one final time if Karen is worth fighting for. Number 3, Chaos Walking. In Prestige Town, Todd has been brought up to believe that the Speckle released a gem that killed all the women and unleashed noise on the remaining men. After discovering a patch of silence out in the swamp, his surrogate parents immediately tell him that he has to run, leaving him with only a map of New World, a message and many unanswered questions. He soon discovers the source of the silence, a girl named Viola. Number 2, I Am Number 4. I Am Number 4 is told from the first person perspective of 15-year-old Number 4, aka John Smith, an alien from the planet Lorian. The Loric race is made up of two groups: the guard, who possesses supernatural powers known as legacies, and the Keepan, the keepers or guardians assigned to each member of the guard at an early age. 10 years ago, a powerful and deadly race of aliens known as the Mogadorians invaded and defeated the planet of Lorian. The 9 guard and their accompanying Keepan escaped to Earth in hopes of one day returning to their home planet once it could again sustain life. The 9 guard members and responsible for defending the planet of Lorian, while the Keepan are responsible for teaching the guard about the history of the planet and helping the guard develop and hone their legacies. Each of the 9 members of the guard is bound by a protective charm that ensures that they can only be killed in the order of their numbers as long as they all stay apart. Number 1, The Imperfects. The drama revolves around 320 something who, following an experimental gen therapy, are turned into monsters who band together to hunt down the scientist responsible and force him to make them human again. Dr. Sydney Burke, a brilliant scientist looking to fix her past mistakes, both professional and ethical, allies with Abby, Joanne, and Tilda to trace down the scientist responsible for their grim fates. Meanwhile, Dr. Alex Sarkov, a former child prodigy, refuses to let anyone or anything interfere with his goal of rewriting the human genome and ushering in the next stage of human evolution.